A Moment That Matters with Dr. Jon Roebuck.
Good morning. The Charlie Kirk Center for Faith Leadership is interested in furthering the conversation about important issues. And one of those issues is the issue of race. I'm fearful that as a society, we've got a lot of hard work, a lot of intentional work that has to be done around that topic. You know, all of us have hidden biases and blind spots. We may not even know we have them, but we have to begin to see what they are so that we can name them and begin to tame them in our own life. And so I've invited for our first lectureship series ever, Dr. Kevin Cosby to come and be our guest to speak on the topic of race. Dr. Cosby is president of Simmons College in Louisville, also pastor of St. Stephen's Baptist Church, the largest Baptist church, African-American Baptist church in Kentucky. He's going to be here from September the 30th through October the 1st to deliver 4 lectures on race. You're invited to come. Information's on our website. I hope you'll join us for our lectures.